tariffs. They're all anyone can talk about. But in this moment, the people need to hear from the financial advisors. We need the guidance of wealth management teams more than ever. So are you trying to get your message out and having disappointment with the quality or how you come across on camera? We understand that you did not get into finance to be on television. But ever since COVID, you've been embracing virtual meetings, and now to cut through the noise, we want to help you stand out. Let Optimum Films help outfit you with a system that will make the process of delivering that advice in a video seamless and effortless. One button recording, high quality audio and video, and a package that starts under $1,000. Drop a comment below if you'd like to know more, or go ahead and shoot me an email, sid@optimumfilms.com.